All right, complex numbers in trig form. It's just like how the number can be written in form a plus bi. It can be written using trigonometry, just like what we were doing, okay? So right here, let's go ahead and find these points on our graph. So I'm going to find 1 plus 1i. So this is 1 plus 1i is right there. So using trigonometry, I can use, this is going to be the square root of 2, because this is going to be 1 squared plus 1 squared equals r squared, take the square root. So we've got square root 2 times the cosine of, and we've got to find that value. So we're going to do inverse tangent of 1 over 1, which is just inverse tangent of 1. And I get 45 degrees. So that's going to be cosine 45, comma, or plus I, and then sine 45. Here's your A value. Here's your B value. A, B. Okay? All right, let's do the next one. So we're going to do negative 3 plus 0i. So negative 3, so 1, 2, 3 plus 0i. Notice that the reference angle is 0. That's really nice. So here we've got our distance is negative 3. Well, our distance is 3. And then this will be the cosine of 0 plus I sine of 0. And if we make this negative 3 instead of positive 3, it'll end up in the correct spot. Because if I just do cosine 0, sine of 0, that'll just stick me over here. So I want to make sure it ends up over there. Okay, let's do this next one. We're going to do 4 minus 5i. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's there. Here's my reference triangle. So my radius, or r, is going to be the square root of 4 squared plus 5 squared. So that'll be 25 plus 16. So that's the square root of 41. So that's me square root of 41 times, and then this will be the cosine of, and we have to find this angle right here. Right? And then remember that this is, oh wait, instead of cosine sine of 0, keep that positive to do 180. Struggle's real. Okay. I think. Because our opposite would be 0 divided by, so let's see, inverse tangent of 0 divided by negative 3, close parenthesis, enter, oh, it's 0. Nope, I was wrong. Just make both of those 0. Make that negative 3. That'll fix it. Alright, and then if we do 41 times the cosine of, and this is where we have to find it, so opposite will be negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to do the inverse tangent of negative 5 over 4. Hit enter. We get negative 51.34. Plus I sine, and then the exact same thing, negative 51.34. Okay, and we're going to do the last one. So it's going to be negative 2. Negative 3. So this point right here. So we make our pretty little reference angle. This is negative 3. This is negative 2. So our r is going to be the square root of 2 squared plus 3 squared. So that's 4 plus 9. I think that's 13. So we've got the square root of 13 times the cosine of our angle plus I sine of our angle. So let's find our angle. So we're going to do inverse tangent of negative 3 over negative 2. So inverse tangent of negative 3 over negative 2. And we get 56.30. So we put 56.30. And from there, go ahead and do these two, write them in trig form, and then that is it. You are done for today.